Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make someone a Facebook group expert. So firstly, you have to go to the Facebook group first. Then you will find here members option. This one, click on members and then just click on members, two members or whatever members you have. I'm showing you for the basic tutorial. And then you will find here, if you scroll down a bit, and you'll find here your members, all of your group members. Choose the group members you want to make expert, and you'll find beside the name and right hand side you will find a three dot icon. Click on this three dot icon and scroll down, and then you will find here invite as group expert. Now click on invite as group expert, click on add expert. Now a notification has been sent to that ID, and if he accept, he will be the group expert for this Facebook group. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.